Greetings, citizens of the world. Sheriff Joe is hitting back at all the enraged liberals who called his pardon from President Trump unconstitutional. Arpaio's attorneys have filed a motion with the U.S. District Court in Arizona to fight against those who are challenging the constitutionality of Trump's pardon. Two groups have come against Arpaio's pardon so far, including a former Obama administration lawyer. Reuters reported on Tuesday that Protect Democracy Project, an advocacy group that includes the Obama administration lawyers, filed a separate brief urging Bolton to first decide whether the pardon was constitutional before dismissing the case. Arpaio's attorney, Mark Goldman and Zilliner PLLC in Scottsdale, Arizona, provided Infowars.com with a copy of the motion his firm filed with Judge Bolton on Tuesday, petitioning Judge Bolton to dismiss the amicus briefs on argument that the rule in American criminal law jurisprudence is that private citizens lack a judicially cognizable interest in the prosecution of another private citizen. These filings by third parties in a criminal trial matter should have been immediately rejected or stricken by the court, Goldman insisted in an email sent exclusively to Infowars.com. The fact that these filings were not immediately rejected and/or stricken by the court is shocking, Goldman's email continued. The rule of law should apply to Sheriff Arpaio as well as anyone else. The fact that he's now been forced to reply to these filings places an inappropriate and unconstitutional burden on Sheriff Arpaio. Goldman explained to Infowars.com why the filing of an amicus brief is considered inappropriate in American jurisprudence. Can you imagine if non-prosecutors were able to file motions and briefs in criminal trial matters in courts in America? Goldman asked rhetorically. There would be utter chaos and a complete breakdown of the criminal justice system along with placing unconstitutional burdens on defendants, he explained. Criminal defendants would not only have to brief, argue and defend against the government prosecutors, but also be forced to brief, argue and defend against perhaps thousands of other parties in defending their criminal cases, he continued. The very idea of a court accepting these filings is outrageous. Goldman was dismayed Judge Bolton did not dismiss these two amicus briefs.